Hi guys!
Ito na po.
Very hard.
We're
Be
gonna run through
fully
Crystal
prepared.
Cabin difficulty 1.
Sorry na agad,
This
guys.
is the new hardcore raid.
Yeah, shock pala, no? I forgot.
Oh, bilis ah.
Ang difficulty to ang dapat ang tinira natin ah.
Uy,
Just kill the bots with your team. And just keep moving forward.
Grabe mo, dadash pa siya.
Then when you reach here,
Tipis din na kayo sa tagwa namin.
find a safe
Hindi,
spot to
namamatay
avoid
pa
the
rin ako
boss
dito.
kills. This is not a safe spot, but it's better than other spots. The ring skills deals a lot of damage, so we have to avoid it.
mas may kaysa naman tamaan kayong parang ring. Mas malakas.
Kaya,
Susakit yung parang ring.
parang yun lang.
Cool lang yan.
Kaya mo yan, Labi.
When these platforms appear, 2 of your teammates have to climb until the end.
Go, go, go.
1 teammate have to be on the other side in order to interrupt Eye of Destruction skill.
Basta ako, safe ako dito.
Oh, diba? Safe ako. Ang galing.
Confident pa siya doon.
Basta ako, safe ako.
Confidence is the key.
Safe na safe pa.
Then we'll proceed to the next boss.
Pinabastos mo.
Pwede mo trin ako siya pwede.
Okay lang.
Lang, sorry.
Kill these mobs again.
Sobrang hirap ng bagong event yung yung weekly isa.
Yung meme.
Until the next boss appear.
Lagi siyang pagkakura.
Make sure to kill the jellyfishes because it regenerates the boss shield when it gets near. Then after that, shoot the boss again. Or other members can focus on the mobs
Diba?
and the rest will focus on the boss.
Alam mo ba yung boss na to? Ito yung
Diba? Patay na.
Then we'll proceed to the third boss.
Ala. Ayan na. Ayan na pala.
Kill mobs again.
Ikaw lang yung may global
Then
lolo.
hide behind the walls.
Hindi ako nag-create doon.
Hindi ka nagla-live pala.
And shoot
Iyo.
from behind.
So tayong tatlo na lang pala yung matibay na hindi nag-global. Ay,
Hide
sorry.
behind to avoid getting pulled by the
Ala. Uy, Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Aray ko.
Shoot the energy cores within a time limit. If you can, just go up to avoid dying. Be mindful of the time
Ay,
limit.
mag-left-click. Sala.
Climb up before the time runs out. All of the members must stay up,
Akyat!
or else the challenge will be failed.
Uy, thanks sa heart
Wait until the skill is over.
Thank you.
Buhay ba lahat? Wala na ba?
Ay, gago patay.
Alex!
We failed because one of our teammates jumped down.
Sala ko tapos sa bagal ng boss eh.
Oh my god, Alex. Oh my god. Pay to
So
win,
we'll have to
pero
try again.
Okay lang. Oo. Free to play friendly naman siya. Kahit pay to win siya.
Diba yan ang
Pabalik
mabalik
na.
mas yung malaki kayo.
Patay niyo. Huwag kayo matigas ang ulo ah.
Wow, kami pa.
Hanggat hindi nag-change yung form yung boss, walang bababa.
Hindi ko kasalanan. Yung kasalanan ng boss, yung napakabagal niya
Okay.
Tingnan mo. Oh. Diba?
Ayan, okay na.
And we're safe.
Tapos kayo bumaba.
Then keep repeating everything until the boss dies.
Wag mo na bumaba.
Alam ko siya, alam ko.
Wag mo nang bumaba. Walang bababa.
Wala. May bumaba si Ren, oh.
Hindi na, pwede.
Okay na, okay na.
Please kayo.
Wasted ka. Ba't ka namatay?
Thanks.
Now for the
Dapat di
last
tayo mamatay
boss,
dito.
be careful not to fail here because you'll have to kill the previous boss again if you fail this part. Avoid the center to avoid getting stunned. Just keep jumping.
Okay, gamit ko yung link basta magtugan.
When the
Ay,
colors
sorry.
appear, go to the same color as the color of the boss you are shooting.
Wala ako dito.
Ito kayo tumapa eh.
Paano may nat...
Yung isa lang yung naaalala ko. No, yung cube.
Kaya mo na, Emil. Lusubin mo na ng pang-armor mo.
Ayun na.
In this phase, make sure to stay up the cubes that will appear.
Ayun na. Cute.
Sakto lang ate pang-armor para sa... Uy, wala na pala ako sa...
Ah! Nahulog ni.
Sakit. Bomba! Boom! Di na ako ng bomba, pre.
Oh.
Sula.
Thanks,
Nice.
guys.
And it's done!